In this lecture, we'll talk about how polymorphism works with the Unity MonoBehaviour class. We know, by default, when we create a new C# script in Unity, that class is in fact a child class of MonoBehaviour. And you could reasonably ask, what does that have to do with polymorphism? And the answer is because the MonoBehaviour class has a start method, and our child class has a start method if we choose to include it, the game engine knows to call our start method on our child class because of polymorphism and inheritance. So we get class-specific behavior for a particular method like start or update or any of the methods that we choose to implement from the MonoBehaviour class. And so polymorphism lets us include that class-specific behavior in our scripts. And this is a really short lecture, but to recap, the big idea is polymorphism with MonoBehaviour makes it so that all of our scripts work in our Unity games.